girls from Cucko's Cucina again. My name is Joanne.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jackie.
Today we're going to show you how to do salmon biftekia sliders. And this is a really simple recipe. Joanne, what goes in here?
So here you could use either a cooked salmon or you could use raw salmon and then you'd have to cook it. But today, if you had any leftover salmon, like I did, we're going to use that. We crumpled it up and we added some fresh dill. And we are just going to mix that up. And then, Jackie, what can you add for me?
So we're going to add a little bit of olive oil.
Extra virgin. Good.
And then we're also going to add a little bit of lemon juice as well, freshly squeezed.
And that should give it a really nice flavor. And while I'm mixing this, Jackie is going to prepare an aioli that we could use.
So what we're going to do in our lemon aioli is we are going to use, again, our extra virgin olive oil and some lemon juice. And mix that in. Then we have some Dijon mustard, just about, what would you say, like a little less than a teaspoon?
It's about a teaspoon. And we'll have the recipe for this on our blog this week.
I'm going to mix that in. This will make it a little creamier. We're going to add some pepper.
And a little bit of salt.
We're going to mix this all together. And then we're going to add, lastly, some garlic powder, because it's easier than fresh garlic. You want to make sure you mix it really well, and you'll see that everything will start to combine.
And as you're whisking it, you'll see how creamy it gets and thick.
Okay?
Look at that. That is beautiful. That's a nice aioli. Okay. So now we're going to build our burger.
Yep.
First, we're going to put down a little bit of lettuce.
Okay. So we've got a pre-cut pita round. We'll add the lettuce.
Salmon. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Okay.
And then what we can put on top, you can put as much or as little as you like. As you just
We like this aioli, so we like to put a lot.
You just want to drizzle that all over the top of your salmon.
And it gives it a nice moistness too, because salmon can get a little bit dry.
Especially if it's pre-cooked and you're reusing.
And then we can garnish it with a little bit of dill. That look really pretty. Nice fresh dill. And then we have our topper right there. And here you have our salmon biftekia slider.
Galiorixi.
Galiorixi.